Hello, my name's Harry Burroughes. I'm Theme Lead for Integration here at Factory 2050 at the AMRC. At the AMRC, we carry out research on behalf of our members. We have 120 members at the AMRC. Our predominant role is to prove out technologies in an industrial setting to allow them to evaluate new technologies. The research relationship came about between ourselves, the AMRC, and iconsys through personal connection. I'd worked with them previously in a different role and I was aware of their capabilities. We discussed the loan of the equipment to allow us to do some industrial trials on behalf of one of our clients to prove it out to them that the system was at a high enough level to be able to be considered to be deployed onto a shop floor. The AMRC has used some of the major components that are on the AMR, but we've never had the opportunity to test them all together in a collaborative, combined system. What the AMRC's found is that with the introduction of the AMR, it has allowed us to concentrate on things that are more interesting, such as safety and accuracy trials, and that's what we're currently undertaking. The results that we are finding from working on the AMR is within what was expected. We know that there's some fine-tuning that we're currently underway and testing and completing. We are carrying out some more repeatability and accuracy trials, but we don't believe there's going to be any problem hitting the requirements that we require. The main reason why we're looking at the AMR is just because it's a package unit. It's something that we can start seriously considering deploying into the UK. So we're looking for somebody, systems integrator, that can allow us to seriously consider how we deploy this into somebody's shop floor. So the iconsys iAM-R is a solution that is commercially available now. That's what first attracted us to it, and that's why I think we wanted to benchmark it. We have seen many cobots and AGV systems in research facilities, but this is sort of one of the first that we've become aware of that is now commercially available with a CE mark. So working with iconsys has allowed us to move the research forward. We've been able to talk to industrial automation engineers and discuss what we see the future of this technology, and it's been an excellent opportunity for us to gain some real-world industrial application knowledge that we can now feed back into the group. One of the main benefits that we found working with iconsys is giving us some real indication of how these units will be used in industry. iconsys have a background of industrial automation, and it's working with those guys we've been able to tie up our research and identify some key research areas that we need to still investigate, but looking into an industrial setting. The AMR has now provided a new business case for automation. The big benefit I see coming is that it is reconfigurable. You can have multiple different business cases that allow the system to be operated in a cost-effective way. We have obviously in discussions with the aerospace industry. The conversations are now serious about deploying this kind of technology into those high accuracy, very skilled environments. And I don't think we're too far away from seeing our first AGV with cobots in people's factories.
Neil Moss, Business Development Manager, iconsys. The customer has multiple machines, all being tended to by one overhead gantry robot. This solution is quite fixed, and if the customer needs to maintain the machines, then all machines need to be stopped in that area. For the new production cell, we need more flexibility, and in the future, the machines need to be expandable, and a solution needs to be expandable with that. So last year, we analysed the machine tending market and saw that there were a lot of robots fixed in front of the machines, and this gives manufacturers really not a lot of flexibility. So we looked at different individual products that are available and looked at the mobile industrial robot from IA and the collaborative robot from Universal, and started the process of integrating those together to make a much more flexible and adaptable solution. What really sets iconsys apart is not only we are supplying the product, but we're also supplying a complete turnkey automation solution from 3D simulation, electrical design, software, hardware, commissioning, CE marking, risk assessments, and also 24/7 service contract. We will continue to develop and expand our product offering in this marketplace. So wherever you are in your automation journey, iconsys can help with bespoke, flexible, autonomous robotic solutions. Following a successful demonstration of the capabilities of the iAM-R in our manufacturing centre at Telford, the aerospace manufacturer asked the AMRC if we could lend out the iAM-R to them for further research and development with regards to machine tending applications.